Hi, I am Denise with Kranzle USA, Pressure Washer Perfection. Today we're introducing the Kranzle 2020 PMUSR wall-mounted pressure washer. Car detailers love this machine. It comes with everything you need to start detailing right away. First and foremost, the Kranzle 2020 PMUSR electric wall-mounted pressure washer is 110 volts, 20 amps, and generates 2,000 psi at 1.9 gallons per minute. It comes pre-assembled on the stainless steel heavy-duty shelf that mounts to the wall. It also has a 65-foot high-pressure hose on a Kranzle reel, 12-inch insulated lance, Starlet 2 trigger assembly with built-in swivel and high-pressure stainless steel quick disconnects, 5 flat tips, and 1 Kranzle foam cannon. The only thing you need to do is mount it to the wall, plug it in, plumb the water line, and you're ready to start detailing. If you have any questions, please call us, visit our website, contact a local dealer, or comment down below. Again, I'm Denise with Kranzle USA, Pressure Washer Perfection.
Kranzle USA, Pressure Washer Perfection.